make some opening there, bended the plastic, and then last time there's a big hole in there, so I just put this to cover it. Okay, and then for this antenna, I estimate the hole should be here. Okay, so I'll just put it back. Basically it will look like this. Okay, so this is your antenna. Okay, so I'll just put everything back. This one in the stomach, and then the bumper, and then for the light setup I may put in a different video. Okay, so I'll be return back everything. For the shift servo, so this remote is not yet hacked, so my channel 3 will only have 2 positions, so it's either, so I can have 3 sets of setting. So number 1, I can either have low or low mid, I will have a low high, or mid and high only. So currently my setting now is a low speed and high speed. So if you see here, so if I click on channel 3, I'll go to low speed and I'll go to high speed. So if I want to go to low and high speed, I'll just have to change the endpoints here, so I can have the mid position. But for this setup, I'm going to use the low and high, because anyway you can see with this setting, you can see the much difference of a low and a high speed setting. So you can see this one is the low speed. So if I click on the high speed, okay, you see it's quite better. You can feel the difference. But anyway, depending on which ground I'm playing, if I'll be on the pavement, then maybe I'll be choosing mid and high. So I just set this one, the end position, to what the left I will set to 0%, so it will not go all the way to the left side. Okay, so that's how basically I'm doing it. But I'm still planning to hack this G3B controller, so I can have 3 positions in there, not only 2 at a time. Okay, so now we're gonna try to go to the mid speed. So what I'm going to do is I will set the endpoint adjustment. Okay, so this is a mid speed, so I can, this is the left side, so I will reduce this one to 0. Okay, and okay, so let's check out. Okay, I'll turn on. Okay, so currently now I'm here. See the position of the servo, so I click on channel 3. Okay, it was not on. Okay, I turn on channel 3. Okay, I'll go to, that will be the mid speed, and this will be the low speed. So mid and low. Okay, so we try to change the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have to click in here. This one we are at 0%, so now I will have to return it back to 50%, the left side. Okay, so I will set the endpoint adjustment. Okay, okay, so now we going to change the right to 0. Okay, So now we will be having a middle speed and high speed, mid and high. Okay, so but for this but for the meantime, I'll be just going for low and high. I will not be using the mid position, because if I go mid position, you cannot distinguish the speed when you're in middle position, you see. Okay, so this will be the final setup. So now we are using a 21 turn Titan motor. So we have made a hole there because the shaft is longer, and then we create a small clearance here so that it will not touch the connection. And our ESC will be here. I place it here so that my finger can go through from the clearance in the body, so you can turn it on. And then our receiver will be inside this box. So last time actually I put it on top, now I'll go here. Okay, so I will put my truck together, and then maybe next time I'll make a video on how I do the light setup. This one is a GT power light. So it's actually very nice. Guess you might be wondering why there's a switch here. This one is for the headlights, so it will be on another video. Okay, one more last thing. So the battery will still go in this place, this one. So this one is actually designed for this battery, this size. But what I have currently is a NIMH. That's the very first battery I buy. So maybe I'll be using this one first for the meantime, while I'm looking for a smaller battery, because currently all my batteries are of this size, so they cannot fit in there. So maybe I'll be looking for a smaller battery and then change whatever needs to be changed there so that it can go in. Okay, so it looks like this. So currently I'm using an NIMH battery that will fit this battery case. So this is how it looks like. It's connected this way. Okay, so how I'm going to turn on. So you have to turn around, and there your hand can go in, and you just, okay, so the switch will be here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so currently this is my light setup. So the headlights are on. Okay, so I will turn it off. You remember the switch I have? It's there. I have to turn it off. Okay, so actually I make a switch there because sometimes, because the GT controller, you need to give throttle for the headlight to turn on, and that one I don't like because it will be dark. So I just do it this way. Okay, that's a thunder. Okay, sorry for that. That's the force of nature. Okay, so it's actually like this. So let me show you how. So you go forward. Okay, so I have to change speed. Okay, that's high speed, low speed. Okay, so my light setup is actually like this. You see, go around. See? Got this blinker. Okay, and on the other side, okay, all the way behind, also here blinking on the side. Okay, let's flip around. Okay, so see the blinkers. Okay, that's a reverse. Okay, it's forward, brake, then brake. Okay, the brake is just a momentary on and off. Okay, and it will go to a dim red. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Again, thank you.